All right, what is up, flippers? Welcome to a exciting video. Today I'm going to be able to get my first impressions here on the Mayrn Lite, thanks to Ty or Telestro Flips on YouTube. Telestro with 3 O's on Instagram. I'll have his ats on screen, but definitely check him out. Pretty cool guy. He is the cameraman he was the cameraman for Camaro EE's channel, but he has since moved states, and before then actually, he started his own flipping channel, so it's really cool to see him get into the community and the hobby and see where he's at right now. But yeah, thanks for offering the Temp trade. I hope you're enjoying the Konig, but yeah, without further ado, let's get right into the unboxing. Let's see. I don't even need to cut that. Cool. All right. We got a Squid Industries box. Dude, how old is it? It says Squiddy. Oh, okay, I guess this is like the original Squiddy box, I guess, maybe? I wonder if they still come like that. That's so funny. Such a tiny little box. That's what my Squiddy U came in. I'm not going to take it out from under all those, but yeah, much bigger box. All right. The reveal. Ah. Very nice. Looks like a raw aluminum there. Okay, it is indeed very light. I should have grabbed my scale, put it up here beforehand, but I'll do that in a second. Huh, well, it is light. I'll say that. What is up, flippers? Future Zenki here. It's been about 30 minutes since unboxing the Marin Lite here, and I realized that I forgot that Ty actually mentioned that he included a nice little note for me, so actually got it out here, and I already read it, but I will read it on camera now. As you can see on the outside here, it says read. On the other side, it says read. Then we open it up. Cool little smiley face on both sides. Zenki, thank you for doing this Temp trade. Enjoy the Marin and keep doing the awesome work you do. Thank you. P.S. Give it a tap and play test to see why I love MachineWise so much. Also, hi YouTube, subscribe to us both. True. Yeah, definitely subscribe to Ty on YouTube and check him out on Instagram. He has some pretty cool content on both. Oh yeah, the Marin Lite is quite insane, and yeah, I see why you said be sure to do a tap and play test. I'm pretty sure that was one of the first things I did. Absolutely zero tap. The only sound you hear is the handle going up and down, but yeah, and I showed the play too. The play is absolutely insane. Some of the best tolerances I've ever seen, probably. All right, let's give it this first. Actually, you know what? Before I do that, before I, it should be fine. Before I ruin one of my fingers here, I'm gonna throw a bite marker. Boom. All right, let's give her a flip. Ah! Almost ruined my hand immediately. Wow, this is like, it just feels so like hollow almost. It's so light. This is really weird. I really was not expecting it to like be and feel this light. Wow, okay. Seems very flowy. I'm liking the balance. Oh, there goes my shortstop. All right, so first drop there, I got a little ambitious and went for a shortstop. I definitely need to practice my shortstops here still. So I'm really liking the sound. Woo! Really wish I didn't have this bad cut on my finger. It's been like 2 days now and it's still kind of cut like wide open. It's kind of scaring me, but that's besides the point. Band-Aid is definitely affecting my flipping, but feels really good for chaplains. The spine is nice and crowned. The inside of the channel is also nicely chamfered. So it's really comfortable for chaplains. Yeah, there we go. Got a shortstop there. Okay, I feel like I'm getting more used to it now. Yeah, I'm really liking it. I feel like there is one thing that feels a little bit off to it. I can't quite put my finger on it yet. Seems like with rollovers, wow, the tolerances are really tight. There's barely any movement, and that was really cool. I almost feel like maybe those tight tolerances are making like fans kind of weird for me. I don't know. Maybe I'm like used to some slop in the pivots to where I can, like with this little play, it almost feels like I have to be very, very precise with when and where I throw like a fan out. Yeah, still not quite sure. Still just my first impressions. Very nice sound, very nice tolerances. I'm curious what kind of maintenance may be required on this. I wonder if okay, we got some press fit Zen pins. Seems pretty standard. Yeah, I wonder if this came, if the pivots came like pre-Loctited, or if you have to Yeah, overall I am really liking this. Has a great balance, great flow to it. Huh. Oh yeah, let me weigh it. Coming in at a very nice 3.8. I can do that all day. That sounds so nice. Ah! Nice, so I think I've only dropped it that one shortstop so far, I say, as I almost drop it again. I want to say this is 4 ounces exactly. Yep. So it is lighter than a, oops, excuse me, it is lighter than the Vortex there. Yeah, these cutouts here are pretty nice for grip. They're really simple, but I haven't had any complaints with the grip so far. A lot of times the outer channel here seems to get slippy without any texturing or milling lines, but doesn't feel slippy to me. It actually feels really grippy just on that smooth surface there, so that's really cool. I'm assuming this is just 70-75 aluminum. I guess the difference here would be most of my other aluminum Balisongs come anodized, and this seems to be just raw aluminum, so that is quite interesting. I wonder if yeah, I mean, that makes sense. Raw aluminum would be more grippy than the ano there. On the face, we do have some kind of texturing or some kind of finish on the face there. I can't tell exactly what it is though. Overall, it looks really good though. The finish kind of matches the blade almost. Like, this finish is almost like, yeah, it's kind of like lines going down. And then obviously you see the blade finish here, the grind. Oh, huh. Okay, you can kind of feel. That is really cool. That was a really cool grind. So yeah, my first MachineWise Balisong that I've flipped here. That's pretty cool. Definitely have been interested in his work since I found out about him, actually. I did want a Mayrn Lite at one point, and then I figured I have enough aluminum Balisong, so might as well save and try to go for a Thai Marin, or the regular Marin. Yeah, really glad I got the opportunity to check out this Mayrn Lite and get my impressions on it. It is really cool, really fast, kind of like the Konig, I believe. I don't remember now. I want to say the Konig is like 3.9, so it might be just like an ounce heavier than this, depending on what weights you use. But with the neutral balance that I like flipping, I think it is 3.9 if I'm not mistaken. It's a very similar weight. These handles are actually quite similar to the Konig, just like how kind of smaller and boxy they are. However, this has a little bit of a rounding to it, and it definitely has a nicer chamfer right there, you can see. So overall, I think I do like these aluminum handles better than the Konig. Ah. I think I would say I like the Konig blade shape better. However, the grind on this blade is absolutely fantastic. And yeah, aside from blade shape, I think I like just about everything else about this blade a lot better than the Konig. I really do like the blade shape too. I like that spine, how it kind of meets at that point in the middle there. Yeah, really cool knife. Yeah, it does seem pretty similar to my Konig. Very light and nimble. This is, I think I would say this is definitely more grippy. This is definitely more grippy than the Konig. The cutouts give you a little more something or space to grip onto, whereas the Konig, the cutouts are kind of small. You don't really feel them, or they don't really get into your fingers all that much. And I would say that the ano on the Konig is probably slippier, just like on the outside channel right here, than this raw aluminum is. That being said, the Konig does still have a weight system, so you can try out everything from blade bias to handle bias, which is really cool. I don't know, overall, like, just feel and flippability, I would say that these are pretty similar, the Konig and the Marin. The Marin definitely has the Konig beat and sound, that is for sure. Unless I end up sending the Konig to Garrett, I Am Not a Real Boy, for a retune, the play is, I think even if I did get a retune, the play is 100% gonna beat out a Konig. So yeah, this definitely just feels like an overall, just a better knife, honestly. I do love my Konig. I will still probably keep it in the collection. I don't know, this kind of got me rethinking the Mayrn Lite. I might have to pick up, might have to get a Marin and the Lite. Ah! I almost went and grabbed that. That could have been bad. All right, so yeah, first impressions of the Mayrn Lite here is really cool, really fast, really light. All right, so yeah, that's going to be it for the unboxing and first impressions. Definitely keep you guys updated on how I'm liking this overall. But so far, I'm pretty blown away. I don't think I really had any expectations, so it was definitely a nice surprise just how really nice this this Mayrn Lite is. All right, yeah, that's going to do it. Thanks for watching, Flippers. Leave any questions or comments you have down in the comments below. I do read each and every one and do my best to reply to them as soon as possible. So yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. See ya.